Good evening. As you see here, I'm talking about the history that how sacrifice made to establish a mother language. Can you imagine that somebody can sacrifice his or her life for establish the mother language? Yes, friends, it's happened and it's true. Before I talking about international mother language, I will say what's mother language. Mother language means a language that is used by the people of a country to express their ideas, thoughts, feelings, and emotions. The 21st February is the International Mother Language Day. It is a red letter day in the history of Bangladesh. The day has a glorious historical background so that it is not limited in our country. It is now become International Mother Language Day. Friends, see that the green one is our country, it's Bangladesh, and the big one is West Pakistan. In 1952, our country was not freedom. We was independent, and our country name was East Pakistan. And the West Pakistani ruler wanted to impose their language Urdu as the state language upon us instead of Bangla. But the heroic son of our country protested it. Now, I will show a very short video clip where you can see how the police shooting on the peaceful protest. According to the Daily Ittefaq, it is the most famous newspaper in our country. It said that the student brought out a procession in 21st February in 1952. Then police opened fire on the procession. 6 students died on the spot and many students injured. There are about 4,000 languages in the world. English, French, Spanish, and Arabic are some of the most dominant languages in the world. However, 21st February, our Martyrs' Day, is unique in the history of world in the sense that no other country have lost lives and suffered for the preservation of the mother tongue. So, judging the significance of the language movement, the UNESCO has considered it a matter of pride to declare the 21st February as the International Mother Language Day. UNESCO declared the day as International Mother Language Day on November 17th in 1999. It's according to Right Vision News. The day is very important for the Bangladeshi, for the people of Bangladesh. Every year we remember this day with profound respect. On this day, everybody hold a black badges, and this is the dress code for the day, black and white. And we walk to the Shahid Minar barefooted. We go there to offer flower on altar of the Shahid Minar to respect the martyrs. Friends, this is our Shahid Minar, and we go there every year on 21st February. Before I finish, I want to mention again that you may go any parts of the world during your life, but you should not forget to love your country and your language. If someone can sacrifice his or her life for show the love for the country, but why not me? Can't I do something for my country? In conclusion, I have learned from this topic, we should stand for our rights, even it cost our life. We should do something for our country. That's all.